All right, let's now talk about our next topic, that is merge conflicts. And when we talk about merge conflict, as the name suggests, it is nothing but the conflict that occurs when the Git cannot automatically combine changes. So, to understand and resolve these conflicts is very important and essential in the team members or the team environment. So, without wasting time, we'll first go ahead and do the hands on, and right after that, we'll have some uh, questions that can be asked in the interview if you are preparing for the interview, or because this is the most important topic. So please keep a focus here. All right. In the enterprise environment, we get such scenarios by default. However, here I'll create it, reproduce it, and then we'll try to resolve it. So let's start with this. We have one branch that is called master. We have other two branches as well. Let's now see what branches I have. So I have three branches: master, feature new, feature, and every other uh, files in the branch is synced. I mean, like everything has the same files and everything, right? So what I'll do here is I'll first check out onto the branch. Let's say I have checked out onto the feature branch. Now I'm into feature branch. What I'll do here is I'll say in this I'll delete this and say welcome to Testify. Control save, and now we'll try to add that. Oh my god, why am I adding here? I should add here. Git add. Um, what is that file? Demo branch. I'll add that. Now I'll commit it with a message like updated. All right, I'm done. And now what I'll do, since I already have featured new branch as well, so I'll directly check out to it, and that feature new branch is synced with master. We haven't changed anything there, right? So I'll check out in that branch feature new, and what I'll do is I'll say I'll here as well try to edit this file. Just a second. I'll say because that was from the previous branch, it is this. Here I'll say welcome to Vistify get get Vistified with Vistify. All right, I'll save this. Again, I'll say git add this demo branch, because here only I added this, and I'll say um git commit -m with the message, and I'll say git add. Cool. So in my feature branch and in my feature new branch, I have added both of them with certain changes, but every other change has a difference. Now what I'll do, I'll check out now into the main branch. For us, it's master, right? In my master branch, I have the initial lines. I have this. Okay. What I'll do, I'll merge this. I'll merge this. Git merge with feature, our first branch, and now I'll merge the second branch, feature new. All right. Since I have merged my feature branch, which is nothing but the branch where I modified welcome to Mystify, it got merged there. However, when I tried to do the same, it created a conflict, right? And now if I do the git status here, what is it asking me? It's asking me that we have some unmerged paths here and I'll have to resolve it. So suppose, let me close this and open it again. I now have some symbols here called arrows, and that's how your visual code editor usual in the usual cases visual code editor shows what is the modification done and how it is being done. So my demo branch has different content, and my feature new branch where I'm going to merge, it has different content. So my feature branch and the master branch is now synced, but my feature new is different altogether, right? So how would I fix it? I have two options. First, I accept the current change, accept incoming change, or accept both changes. Second, I do it manually. Like I can even uh, remove it. I can keep this change as well. I can keep this change well as well. Whatever uh, symbols I remove here, that the markers. If I remove this in any of them, that means you are accepting the changes, either current change or the incoming change, right? So how would I manually do it? What I'll do, I'll say, let's let's do a combined change. Means I'll accept both the changes and see if I can combine those changes. Or else, what I'll do, I'll go ahead uh, into my, let's say, I accept current change only. I will not accept the incoming change. So I keep welcome to Bistify everywhere in the demo branch, in master branch, in and demo for branch is the file, and master feature and feature new are the branches. So I want everywhere to replicate this. So my feature and master is already merged. Now it is only about my third branch, that is feature new. Feature new has different content. So feature new has this one. I want that as well to be this only. So let's accept current change here. We can do that, or manually you can remove the things and can do that as well. So I'll say accept current change. All right, that's accepted. And then I'll do I'll save the file here. That's fine. Now I'll do git status. All right. Now I have unmerged paths like I showed you earlier. So what I'll do, I'll add this file demo for branch. I'll commit this updated file. Cool. Now what I'll do here is I'll switch on to, so this is my master branch, right? Let me close this, open it again. My master branch has welcome to Bistify. Cool. My if I switch to GitHub feature, now if I open this here, my demo for branch in the feature branch is welcome to Bistify. That's great. If I switch again to feature underscore new and open the file here, okay, I did the master merge. So I hope you now have the understanding of how you can resolve the conflict. So the conflict was we were unable to merge both the changes at the same time, where two different people modified the same, or two different terminals, in the two different branches, same file was modified by two people. So that's how we created merge conflict, and that's how you can also resolve it on your own. I think that's all for now. If you are confused with anything, just do let me know. We can have a quick live session as well. I hope you are aware of how to set up the live session here. You go here onto the channel, and if you visit the channel here, I'm sorry, this is the playlist, but we are not talking about the playlist, we are talking about this. So you just come here in the repository, and on the readme section you have the details how you can connect. Let me show that to you. So here, if you connect with me, just a second, if you scroll at the bottom, you can drop me an email here, you can connect with me. Just click here, it will redirect you to a page where you can set up a meeting with me. All right.